Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If Roblox isn't launching on your PC or laptop, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the solution that actually works in 2025. Let's get started! First, go to the Windows search bar and type Add or Remove Programs. Open it, and then scroll down until you find Roblox in the list. Click the three dots next to it and select Uninstall. Wait for the uninstallation process to finish. Next, open the search bar again and type Run. In the Run window, type in %local app data % and hit OK. Once the folder opens, look for the Roblox folder. Right-click on it and choose Delete. Now, open Google Chrome or any browser and search for Roblox. Click on the official Roblox website and log into your account. Find any game you want to play and click Play. This will automatically begin downloading the Roblox installer and the game. Once the file is downloaded, click on it and let the installation complete. After that, Roblox will launch. Log in again if needed, and everything should work fine now. And that's it! Roblox should now be working perfectly on your computer. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel. It really means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.